name is Mario Hüttenhofer. I'm the owner of 3D Fab, and we are offering 3D printing services and 3D scanning services. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about 3D printing in general. 3D printing, there are different technologies. We have powder bed technologies or extrusion technologies. We have technologies coming from SLS over SLA to FDM and several others. We can provide or we can use different materials from metal to polymers, to technical polymers, to standard polymers like polyamides. Our proficiency and our expertise is on color models, and we are using 3D scanning to generate 3D models, but we also get CAD files from engineering, from designers. This model is fully colored, is provided by an engineer who was developing a gear, and he wants to show his management or his customer how it would like, how big it will be, does it fit together, and we are even able, if it is provided in the right way, that it is movable. So we can produce also movable parts. So this shows that 3D printing is already on the way to build surrogates of real parts, to have a prototyping phase, and also to advertise products even without having a complete product line. So you only need to have a design or a CAD file, and you can directly go into your first product for presentation. It has not all features, it might be not being fully functional, but it is absolutely sufficient for presentation. And the color aspect even enhances your presentation. Another interesting feature what helps to speed up development processes for not standard industries is the ability to design packagings together with their brandings, to develop integrated the branding together with the form of the bottle. You can design the branding and design the form of the bottle in one step. The designer can do this. You can decide in your market team directly after this model is printed by a service like ours as a color model. You can vary the colors from dark green to yellow, for example, with different brandings, with different forms. You can do acceptance tests among your customers and directly get feedback what is the right design and what you want to produce finally. So you shorten the development and you get directly to your manufacturing process without having a long development process. And perhaps you even get buy-in of your management that says, hey, that's the right bottle. Here I have an engineering part, a typical brake. It's a brake of a standard manufacturer. So I just want to demonstrate here about the details you can see. You see here very fine details. You see the screws are very detailed. You can put this apart, put it together. You have here a really detailed model of a brake, of a typical car brake, and you can put it in your case and can demonstrate your customers, and perhaps also for internal discussion processes you can use such a model to facilitate your communication.